Boston to the lights of Los Angeles, from the streets of New York to the rains of Seattle. We have been a nomadic people, moving through the noise to find the music. And tonight, we have found it. Beyond these walls, the world has never been louder. Yet here we are, together once again. And for that, we are grateful. So Chicago, and every citizen across Big Booty Land, welcome home. Take a deep breath, hold your ground, because the truth is, out there, it's a jungle.
And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand. When everything's made to be broken, I just want you to know who I am.
He say love me, you ain't for me Chanel. He say love me, you ain't for me Chanel. He say love me, you ain't for me Chanel. He say love me, you ain't for me Chanel. He say love me, you ain't for me Chanel. Say love me, for me Chanel.
I just want you to know who I am. I just want you to know who I am. I just want you to know who I am.
If I'm talking to you, then I'm standing on business, is it?
Emotions are pouring out of me. I bring them to the life in you. It's only right. This is the soundtrack to my life. The soundtrack to my life. The soundtrack to my life.
Is it ashy?
Follow your dreams. Yeah. Wanna get a mansion, a jacuzzi, a theater to watch my movies, couple whips and lots of fancy things. The kids they call the Goonies. I see the future, crystal ball, mirror, mirror hanging on the wall. Who the flyest white boy of the mall? Got your girlfriend screening all the calls. She bubbling, we fucking and you cuddling. Like baby, where the fuck you been? I wanna tell you she in love with him. So we ain't saying nothing. You could probably tell she bluffing, cause she kissed you with the mouth. She gave me head with my concussion. Yeah, she blushing, all red. Wanna rush and go to bed. You interrogate that bitch like you the fed. So she says she in love with a rock star. Wanna smoke my weed, so she asked me where the tops are.
Already know I can leave it alone. You're on my mind. Already gave you the time and the place, so don't be shy. Just come be the man I need. Tell me you got something to give. I want it. I kinda like it when you call me wonderful. Whatever the type of talk it is, come on then. I gotta know you're meant to be the man I need. Talk to me, talk to me, talk to me, talk to me. Be the man that I need, baby. Talk to me, be the man that I need. Talk to me, be the man that I need, baby.
How can we go back to being friends when we just shared this? How can you look at me and pretend I'm someone you never met?
Talk to me, talk to me.
How can we go back to being friends when we just shared this?
Be the man that I need, baby.
How can you look at me and pretend I'm someone you never met?
We're gonna have a problem here. I'm Slim Shady, yes, I'm the real Shady. All you other Slim Shadys are just imitating. So won't the real Slim Shady please stand up? Please stand up, please stand up. 'Cause I'm Slim Shady, yes, I'm the real Shady. All you other Slim Shadys are just imitating. So won't the real Slim Shady please stand up? Please stand up, please stand up.
That's the sound of the police. That's the sound of the beast. That's the sound of the police. That's the sound of the beast. That's the sound of the police. That's the sound of the beast. That's the sound of the police. That's the sound of the beast. That's the sound of the police. That's the sound of the beast.
Oh,
That's the sound of the police.
oh,
Stand clear. That's the sound of the
Murder.
beast.
oh.
Watch out. We run New York.
You know you love me, I know you care. Just shout whenever, and I'll be there. You want my love, you want my heart, and we will never, ever, ever be apart. Are we an item? Girl, quit playing. We're just friends, what are you saying? Said there's another, look right in my eyes. My first love broke my heart for the first time, and I was like, baby,
I was 13, I had my first love.
Is it ever gonna change? I wanted to feel this way forever. Are you gonna be around for me to come on, come
Hit me. Hit me. Hit me. Hit me. Hit me.
Mississippi putting it down. I'm the hottest round. I told y'all mother, y'all can't stop me now. Listen to me now. I'm lasting 20 rounds. And if you want me, then come on get me now. Is you with me now? Then biggie bounce. I know you dig the way I switch my style. Holla, holla. People sing around. Go, get your freak on. 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 Go, get your.
This is why I'm hot. 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 I'm hot 'cause I'm fly. You ain't 'cause you not. This is why I'm hot. I'm hot 'cause I'm fly. You ain't 'cause you not. This is why I'm hot. This is why I'm hot.
Now I'm hot hoes all on me. Back then hoes didn't want me. Now I'm hot hoes all on me. Back then hoes didn't want me. Now I'm hot hoes all on me.
This is why I'm hot. 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 I'm hot 'cause I'm fly. You ain't 'cause you not. This is why I'm hot. I'm hot 'cause I'm fly. You ain't 'cause you not. This is why I'm hot. This is why I'm hot.
If I could, then I would. I'll go wherever you will go. Way up high or down low. I'll go wherever you will go.
Sally, that feeling's coming around. Please don't go falling in love. Then disappear in the wild. Sally, I'll buy a couple of rounds.
I'll go wherever you will go.
Sally, then disappear when the wild runs out.
Hear the roar.
Oh shit, here we go again. I'm on the head. Ankles hit the two-step. Sally makes my head hurt. Her through the grapevine, she can be a diva. Cold like Minnesota, hotter than a fever. Oh shit, here we go again. I'm on the head first. Ankles hit the two-step. Sally makes my head hurt. Her through the grapevine, she can be a diva. Cold like Minnesota, hotter than a fever. Sally.
I've been roaming around, always looking down at all I see. Painted faces fill the places I can't reach. Oh, won't you stay with me? 'Cause you're all I need. This ain't no discrepancy. So darling, stay with me. You know that I can use somebody. 'Cause you're all I need. You know that I can use somebody. So darling, stay with me.
Honey, I get it. Way you got me all in my head. Think I've had you in my bed. Whatever it is, you know I can take it. I'm counting the days, how many days till I can see you.
Guess I'm the problem. And your meds never do no wrong. If I'm so awful, then why'd you stick around this long and there fits the whiskey? And why you keep on pulling it off the shelf? You hit the when you looked at me, you halfway see yourself, and it got me thinking, if I'm the problem, well, you might be the reason.
Just give me time, just take your time. Tell me I get it, I get it, I get it. The way you got me on my head, got me on in my think I got it in my feet.
Badder than, bad from me part. Bad from me part. Bad from me part. Hey, safe to say I'm the biggest, the largest. Been stepping up since my mama stayed in them apartments. Regardless, my daddy told me keep the heat even when I'm in foreign. I'm heartless, cause these niggas is hating on me just because I'm the biggest, the largest, the biggest, the largest. Hey.
Rest in peace, my granny, she got hit by a bazooka.
Soldier boy, tell him. You just gotta punch, then crank back 3 times from left to right. Soldier boy, I win it. Why me crank it, why me roll? Why me crank that soldier boy, that Superman, that now why me crank that soldier? 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 Now what? Soldier boy, I win it. Why me crank it, why me roll? Why me crank that soldier boy, that Superman, that now why me crank that soldier? 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 Now what?
Oh baby, I need some more J, more gin, more shots, pour it 3 rounds, forget with a bottle or 2, red wine, rosé, red cup, all day I'll drink me under the table to get over you. You make me feel good, na 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 na. You make me feel so, na 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 na. You make me feel good, na 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 na. You make me feel so, na na na. And you'll be that girl, you'll be
Everything you want, so let me get up there. I'm the baddest baby in the atmosphere. Tell me what you want so we can do this.
drink me under the table.
Mamacita.
I'm bringing sexy back. All the boys don't know how to act. Think it's special what's behind your back. So turn around and I'll pick up the slack. Go ahead, be gone with it. 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 Make it smile. Go ahead, be gone with it. Go ahead, child. Go ahead, be gone with it.
Get your sexy on.
Go, 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 shorty. It's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give a fuck, it's not your birthday. You'll find me in the club, bottle full of bug. Mama, I got what you need if you need to fill a buzz. I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug if you're into getting rough. You'll find me in the it's your birthday, and you know we don't give a fuck, it's not your birthday. Go shorty, it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give a fuck, it's not your birthday. Go shorty, it's your birthday. Go shorty, it's your birthday. Go shorty, it's your birthday. And you know we don't give a fuck, it's not your birthday. You find me in the club, bottle full of bug. Look, mommy, I got the head sick, get into taking drugs. I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug, get into getting rough. You can find me in the club, bottle full of bug. Look, mommy, I got the head sick, get into taking drugs. I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug, get into getting rough. Go shorty, it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give a fuck, it's not your birthday. You find me in the club.
Once you know what my love's gonna feel like, nothing else will feel right. You can feel like moonbeam ice cream, taking off your blue jeans, dancing at the movies, cause it feels so. Lady, running down to the riptide, taking away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you sing the song, and I got a lump in my throat, cause you're gonna sing the word. Cause it feels so mystical, magical, oh baby, cause once you know. Lady, running down to the riptide, taking away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man.
But don't make me choose. I think you know this is. I think you wanna win. No, you ain't got no misses, but you got a sports car. We can unwind, ride, drive the wheel. Yeah, you know what this is. Yeah, you know what this is. I think you know what this is. I think you wanna win. No, you ain't got no misses, but you got a sports car. We can unwind, ride, drive the wheel. Yeah, you know what this is. Yeah, you know what this is.
But I still stay, cause you're the only thing I know. So won't you take, oh, won't you take me home? Take me home. Take me home.
Take me home tonight. I don't wanna let you go. This is my life. Take me home tonight. Listen, honey, just like what I say.
that coke diet. All the girls standing in the line for the bathroom. All the girls standing in the line for the bathroom. All the girls standing in the line for the bathroom. She stopped me Diet Coke. She on that coke diet. All the girls standing in the line for the bathroom. All the girls standing in the line for the bathroom. All the girls standing in the line for the bathroom. She stopped me Diet Coke. She on that coke diet. She on that coke diet. She on that coke diet. She on that coke diet.
Yeah, yeah. Save a little love for me before you give it all away. Bring your body back to me. Whoa, tell me, pull your heart out for me before you give it all away. Save a little love for me.
We're going up, it's all morning. You know together we're going. Gonna be golden. Oh, with our voices. Gonna get you so lonely. Gonna be golden.
Save a little love for me.
You are now one of my elite employees.
Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you. And I'm down for you always, KB. Do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you. And I'm down for you always.
Ain't no love in the jungle. Ain't no love in the jungle. Ain't no it's like ain't no love in the jungle. Ain't no love in the jungle.
Mac, I'm going in.
Ain't no
A millionaire, I'm a young money millionaire. Tougher than Nigerian hair. My criteria compared to your career just isn't fair. I'm a venereal disease, like a menstrual bleed through the pencil and leak on the sheet of the tablet in my mind. Cause I don't write shit, cause I ain't got time. Cause my seconds, minutes, hours go to the almighty dollar and the almighty power of that
Ain't no love in the jungle. Ain't no love in the jungle.
It's like this, yo. This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain,
Ladies and gentlemen, I said hey! And we are here, ready to go on the final day before we kick off the small account challenge. Team, it is going to be a big one. And I'm really excited to see what we have. I'm excited to see what's going to be coming on up. Right now it is 7:41 in the market. We are waiting to see where the buying volume is going to take us and to see if we get anything big at 8 a.m. Right? That's what I always like to see. I want to see if we get anything big at 8 a.m. I want to see if we get anything ripping and running and spiking at that 8 a.m. press release wave. Right now, we do have CMND with a little bit of hype. Now, CMND, for anyone who can't see as well, this one does have a little bit of a bull flag. CMND, a little bit of a bull flag setup at this moment. You guys can see 1-star press release over on CMD. This play right here with this bull flag setup, we are going to see if we can get that breakout. So, here we have a little bit of higher lows. Here, we have a little bit of lower highs. We do have CMND getting tighter and tighter and tighter, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. And of course, we are going to be watching to see if CMND is going to be able to break out of this bull flag pattern. So, if we can break out of this bull flag pattern, that's where things are going to be very exciting. That's what we're going to be watching. We also have the previous #1 top gainer in play once again today. The previous #1 top gainer, STI, the stock that all of us were watching yesterday. Yesterday, team, for anyone who was not here, you might have missed one of the craziest days I've ever had in my life. Yesterday, traders, I started off losing nearly $7,000 on STI. I shorted it, lost $6,897. Then I ended up buying it and I made $6,000. I lost $7,000, won $6,000, and then I traded another play, ROLR, and made $1,100. I finished in the green after losing $6,800 yesterday. So you know what I'm going to do right now? I'm going to imagine I am down right now $6,000, and I got to make it back. So let's have a $6,000 morning. You know what I mean? So guys, STI right here, this is the play that the majority of traders are so focused on. I tried to actually jump in on STI this morning on this big lower shadow. I had entries at around 38, 39. It bounced right off 40. So I was going to look for entries and see if STI was going to be able to pay us on out. But this was a stock that, again, started spiking this morning again. It did come out with another press release. Same thing, talking about space. Space stock, STI, goes on a very big rip and run. We know $50 is its main resistance line. Pullback and dip buy areas back on down towards around 39.40. And again, STI is going to be in play with us today. I really want to see if we get something good right at 8 o'clock. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you know, we know, and if you don't, you will now, that today is the last day of free live streams. Today's the last day of me being on X. Today's the last day of me being on YouTube. Today's the last day of me being on Twitch for a little bit. We are again going down to the small account challenge, and that is going to be for members only. So again, if you have not yet, make sure you guys sign on up for the small account challenge because that starts up on Monday. Today is the last day of having access to the live stream before it's only on Tradecaster only. So, small account challenge access. Make sure that you guys are all set, ready to rock and roll. Make sure that you guys are ready to get after it. And make sure you guys are joining us because this is going to be so exciting. I told you that once the PDT rule ends, we are going to see massive volatility. I told you, once the PDT rule ends, we are going to see a market hotter than we have ever seen before. And the day the PDT rule ended, we saw stock go from $4 and shoot all the way up to $57. A $4,000 account would have been able to make $53,000 off this play. How insane is that to think about? STI going nuts. And you know what? This is the one of many that is going to be coming up in the future. All we got to do on the small account challenge is nail one. One play. And we could turn our accounts from 4,000 to 12,000, 12,000 to 30,000, 30,000 to 60,000. One play could literally, again, change your entire small account. I'm excited. I'm ready. And I hope you guys are ready as well. It is going to be an absolute blast. It is going to be so incredible. And I am truly fired up to be able to get this going for every single person. So, team, to be honest about today, I don't plan on trading as crazy. Why is that? Because it is Friday. It is Friday going into it. Fridays are, statistically speaking, tougher days. I would personally like to, again, take one good trade out of today and then get ready for the small account challenge. That's what I want. You know, do I want to make $5,000 today? The answer is yes. But I am going to make, one or two solid trades, get myself in the green, and say, you know what? Let's get ready for the small account challenge. We're going to go crazy. Now, Deck, you're going to trade your big account at all during the small account? If I see a good opportunity, absolutely, I'll throw the big account in as well. I'll have the small account and the big account going. But I want to do, again, this upcoming month, small account is going to be 90% of the focus. We're also going to be doing some prop firm stuff. That's going to be fun. We could also, again, do big account trading like we did yesterday with $7,000 wins and losses. We could do it all. So, this June, July, August, going to be insane. June, July, August, going to be nuts, going to be insane, going to be a lot of fun. CMND, we do have STI as the still a #1 top gainer. Guys, not only, let's think about this here for a second as well. Not only do we have the small account next week, not only do we have the PDT rule, which is now abolished at this time, not only are we going to be, again, trading the big account with the small account. Someone tell me, next week, what is a big event that we have? There's one answer after, again, all the other ones I just gave. What happens next week? Who can give me the answer, guys? I'll even give you a better hint. It's at the end of the week next week. Every single person should know. Every single person, the light bulb should be going off. And that means next week, Friday, SpaceX IPO is coming out. SpaceX IPO is coming out next Friday. Make sure that you guys are ready. Make sure that you guys are here. Make sure you guys are fired up. And you guys are going to be all set. We're jacked on up here, baby. SpaceX IPO next week. That's going to be a lot of fun. 748 in the market. Guys, right now at this time, if we check a look over on Fox Runner, let's just see what's the best of the best. Remember, guys, very simple. You wake up every morning and you say, Deck, how do I know what stock to be able to trade? Just go over to the top gainers, news, and filings. What are the best plays with credibility today? Well, STI. STI was the previous #1 top gainer of yesterday, and it came out with 30 plus new patents. Guys, this is the dumbest thing ever. It really is. It's funny. It's funny because it's so stupid. Do you know why it's so stupid? Let's just do a little research right now. Okay? This cracks me up, honestly. All right? And I hope you get a little chuckle out of this. Let's go over and let's type in STI. STI, as we know, yesterday went on an insane spike. Yesterday, we saw STI go all the way from $4 and rip and run all the way up towards around $45. And this massive spike happened because yesterday, we came out with a press release, which stated that they were coming out with low Earth orbit, AI data center, lunar economy, and space. Basically, you take all the hot keywords, space, data centers, AI, lunar orbits, satellites, whatever, and you throw it in one press release. They're talking about putting a patent. They are patenting, that we are going to put AI data centers in space. We want to own that patent. Okay, and guess what happened to the stock? STI yesterday went on this absolutely ginormous 500% climb. This morning, they come out with another press release, right? We go over towards the news right here, and we see, well, what is the best news this morning? Ladies and gentlemen, here's the best news here. STI. Well, guys, what did STI come out with another press release with? Well, STI says, screw it. We're coming out with 30 plus patents. Now we have 30. Yesterday we had 1 patent. Today we have 30 patents. 30 patents about space. Space. Artificial intelligence. What else? Other keywords can we bring in? Lithium batteries. It's like, guys, there's not many space patents. You know why? because people don't do work in space. Maybe NASA has some space patents or SpaceX has some space patents. But it's like, guys, you could take out a patent to be like, hey, I want to have a patent for growing carrots on Mars. Go ahead and take out a patent for that. You own it. The thing is, no one else owns that. You know why? Because it's not real. You can't do it. So again, these guys right here, STI, you can take out 100,000 patents. You know, coming up with the most ridiculous things if you wanted to. They're never actually going to like get paid off this patent because it's all fugazi, it's all fugazi, it's all fairy dust. It ain't real. So the thing is right here, STI is more running due to hype. It's running due to momentum. It's running just because it has to do with space, and SpaceX is coming on out next week. It's more running in a spiking right here because we do have SpaceX next week. We have, again, no PDT rule. We have a low float play. We have a lot of excitement in the market right now, and that's what we have. The number 2 best press release right here is talking about CMND. CMND, new insight from psychedelic clinical trials, which I don't really think is going to hold up too well. I want to see if we can get a big spike at 8 a.m. today. 8 a.m. Let's see if we get the big rip, big run, big pop, big climb. I do think STI is going to actually fall. You know, we have right now, team, $50 main resistance, and we have bottom support right now, as you guys could see, right around like 30, I would say right around $38. All right, $38 is where I think would be the best dip buy if you can get it. So STI, you get like a nice hard red candle, $38, one of the best bets, one of the best chances for you to be able to have success. That's what I want to see. Okay? So STI, we're going to see what this one is going to do for us, but obviously every single trader is going to be focused on this play at the bell and watching this one. What else do we have going on, especially with like the analyst alerts here? Scrolling on down to the bottom here, team. We know this morning, this was at 6 in the morning. STI approaching $50, a 105% gap up after a new press release on the number 1 top gainer, talking about the 30 plus patents the company now came out with, all fake. And you might say, they're not fake patents, they're real patents on things that will never be actually used. Okay? So that's what we mean by it. We can all see BGMS had a 149% gap up. Now again, look at this, SpaceX traders. What's this? This says 10 stocks to watch when SpaceX IPOs next Friday. Rocket Lab, Lunar, VOYC, Velo, Fly, Redwire, SATL, STM, ASTS, IRDM. Next week, space is going to be a massive topic, massive amount of attention over on SpaceX. But that means all space stocks could easily get like the buy the hype, sell the news type of deal. We could be seeing all of these space plays move up next week. You have to be ready for them. Okay? What else do we have here? We know Leopold. Leopold, basically, again, the hottest investor on Wall Street, the man that turned $100 million into like $5.5 billion. About 2 weeks ago, they came out with a 13D filing. What's a 13D filing? They have to basically, or 13F, they need to show all of their entries. They need to show investors what did they buy. And again, Leopold showed SNDK, NBIS, TE, BE. This is showing all of his investments and what they have done over the last 13 days since the world has seen his investments. SanDisk continued to move up 33%. Nibius has moved up 6.8%. TE moved up 57%. BTDR moved up 46%. KEEL moved up 43%. So you guys can see a lot of these plays have continuously pushed on up. But I'm going to be honest for you guys is a lot of people bought in on these plays just because Leopold bought into these plays. Yes, it almost like helps your credibility even more when you start getting this like massive famous attention, right? When you become famous on Wall Street, people want to buy what you buy. And then it's almost like the unlimited money glitch. You buy it, you put it out to the public, everyone else buys it, you make even more money. You know what I mean? When you become Wall Street famous, everyone wants to do what you're doing. So it's like Leopold, no matter what he buys, guess what? Everyone's going to buy it after him. And again, he's always going to make hundreds of billions of dollars at this point. But, you know, people are going to follow it. So, you know, you could follow it as well, but you just got to get in first. Yesterday, number 1 top gainer, STI. That was the big money maker. What we have here, made jobs report. here's what to expect. Okay, so again, we are expecting a jobs report today. Jobs report will be at 8:30. Little heads on up at 8:30. Switch over to the headlines tab. You'll be able to see the jobs data report come out right here at the time of 8:30 on the headlines tab. Just a heads up for every single person there. And is there anything too big else, other than that? Some big headlines already that you guys can take a look at. And nope, we're pretty much good with. So traders, it's Friday. Fridays, we usually don't have as much craziness. Fridays, we don't usually have as many like wild moves. But I want to make, one good solid trade here today. As I said, my goal, one good solid trade, get myself into the green, let's enjoy the weekend, and get ready for the small account challenge. That's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm looking at today. Also, traders, I got to be transparent with you guys. Today I woke up, and immediately again when I woke up, I saw that STI was again spiking. I jumped in on 7,000 shares on the short side, and I accidentally lost 28,000. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, guys. You should have saw the face. You should have saw the look on your face. All right, guys, I'm just kidding. I haven't traded anything yet today. So again, right now I'm 0 out of 0. Yesterday, though, I did make that mistake, as you guys know. Yesterday was a crazy day because I woke up and I said to myself, hey, you know what? Let me go ahead and let me go short a play. And I forgot that the PDT rule was over. So I shorted yesterday on STI. I lost $6,897. And then I said, what am I doing? Why am I shorting? There's no more PDT rule. Everyone's going to be buying nonstop. I said, screw it. I'm buying. I made back 5,986. Lost 7,000, won 6,000, then made another trade, ROLR, made 1,100, made back a $7,000 loss and finished in the green yesterday. Insane. So today, let's just make 7,000 without the initial loss. How about that, guys? Let's just make 7,000 without the initial loss today. How does that sound? Dick, where will you be streaming next week? Again, only on tradecaster.com. So only on Tradecaster, where again I live stream, every single day. This is our trading community. So we have our trading community over on Tradecaster. That's again the live stream right here. And then of course you guys can be able to join in and be able to be part of the chat room, be able to join all of our members over here. You guys have access over to the video library. So you guys can be able to study on up, go through all the lessons, get yourself prepared for the small account challenge, making sure that you guys are learning, watching, growing, and becoming better and better and better every single day. So next week it is only available over on Tradecaster during the small account challenge. We'll have the occasional free day, but I know the value that I'm going to be providing for traders, and my goal is to get everyone's account triple, quadruple, whatever it could be. Guys, we got 1 minute here. 1 minute until the 8 a.m. press release wave. If we see something good, let's attack and let's make this Friday great, nice and early. Okay? If we see something great, let's attack and let's get after it right away. So 759. We know STI has strong $50 resistance. $50 resistance on STI with $38 support. Okay, right now you're kind of just sitting right in the middle. We know again there is no PDT rule at this point. So stocks can go higher than we expect. Don't be fearful to buy. The only reason maybe be fearful is because it is Friday and sometimes we have a lack of volume on Fridays in small caps. But we just had a supernova stock yesterday, a 500% mover on STI. If we get hot news at 8 o'clock on today's Friday, there's a great chance that we could rip and run back on up. So I'm looking for space stocks, space, lunar, orbit. I'm looking for data centers, AI, those type of keywords. So I'm watching Fox Runner here to see if we get any of those keywords that I can jump into a play right away. Now, the thing is, on Fridays, we also have a lack of news. Usually, let's say we have 30 press releases at 8 a.m. Today, we might only have 10 press releases at 8 a.m. So we always see a lack of news on Fridays. Right now here, traders. Come on. Let's see if we get something big right here. All we're doing is watching Fox Runner, seeing if, again, we're going to get anything hot. Right here, traders. Watching, waiting, staying alert on every single move. We do not need to force. Guys, nothing. Barely anything at 8 a.m. so far. Barely anything at 8 a.m. Guys, STI is trying to build back on up though slightly. STI, maybe gets a little bit of a squeeze coming on up. What do you guys think? I feel like STI is kind of gearing up for that potential pop. Pop back up to 50. You guys know what I mean? Like STI kind of gearing up for that potential pop right back up to 50. Seeing if STI could be able to start getting that momentum. If it could start breaking through that $47 mark, there's that opportunity to easily spike up towards around 50 bucks. So what I'm seeing right now is STI, it could easily squeeze and spike back up to $50. Right now, there's not much to trade. Right now, we're watching STI, hoping that the number one top gainer of yesterday and the number one top gainer of this morning kind of wakes up a little bit more. It did go on a great spike about an hour ago, hour and a half ago. Now, again, we're watching to see, can we be able to start getting some action again? Can we break through 47? Break through 47, we could easily rip and run back up to $50 plus. It's a stock that moves dollars. But we got to just see if, like, we have pop 47, rip and run back up to 50, 51, 52, and kind of wake up the world a little bit here. Right now here, traders, a little bit quiet, and that's fine. We will not force. We will not force. We will not put ourselves in bad positions. We will not, again, hurt our accounts. We will only, again, trade what is worth trading. BCDA. BCDA, guys, a little bit of ripping and running. Thank you for the heads on up. BCDA. So BCDA, guys, you guys can see right here, did come out with, came out on Fox Runner, 3-star press release. BCDA 75% gain says the FDA confirms that it may support pre-market approval. I mean, the FDA confirms may support pre-market approval, so it might support pre-market approval. I mean, that's not really my favorite press release in the world, to be honest with you. It's not really my favorite. I mean, it's right here on Fox Runner, came on out. It's a 3-star press release because it does have the word approval. So the FDA is having approval on, again, BCDA. So it is getting a nice little rip and run at this time, as you guys can see. I am still interested in STI not doing it right now. BCDA definitely has some hype towards it. How high could BCDA go? I'm not the biggest fan of BCDA, to be honest with you. I would probably say if this thing starts getting up towards around the 190s, we could look for a short up there. So I would say either buy it or, again, short it probably in the 190s. So let's see here. Ding, 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 ding. Trade. Let me just see how much shares it would cost if I wanted to get 6,000 shares on this play. BCDA. Let me pop it on out here. BCDA, 6,000 shares. Inquire, 6,000 shares. Locate lowest, bring it on over. It's going to cost 300 bucks. I don't even think it's going to get up to 190 right now. So I don't think it's going to get up to 190 just yet. Also, traders, is everyone all set, ready to go? If you are not, starting next week, I am using Big Trades. As you guys know, my main broker is Cobra. They are the best broker I know. Big Trades is basically the baby brother of Cobra. It's by Cobra Trading. So if you have less than $10,000 in your account, less than $10,000 in your account, make sure that you guys are just fully aware and ready to rock and roll. Okay? Less than $10,000 in your account, make sure you guys are all set over on Big Trades. Right now here, traders, we are all set. All right, here, traders. BCDA, quick little spike and quick little drop. Zoolander, traders are buying any half-decent PR that sounds even remotely good with a low float. When Monday rolls around, it's going to be pandemonium. I agree. It's going to be pandemonium. BGMS, STI, SMTK. Come on now. Let's get ourselves ready to rock and roll. Let's get ourselves excited on this day. And I just want to see if STI can get like that pop. If STI can get that pop, if STI can get a little bit of that momentum, it's on. It is on. We just got to wait for that $47 break over on STI. Steve, does Big Trades or Cobra have restrictions when shorting? Nope. There is zero restrictions. As long as you have over $2,500 in your account over on Big Trades, you're good to go. If you have over $10,000 on your account over on Cobra, you are good to go. Big day ahead here, traders, for everyone. Big day ahead for absolutely everybody. Make sure you guys are all set, ready to get after it. STI, we are watching for the squeeze. Again, to be frank with you, all I want is one trade here today. We know there's no PDT rule. There's going to be like one or two trades that pop off. STI could definitely be one of those trades. It just comes on down to, I just want one solid trade. Give me one solid trade here today, and I'm good. Let's get ready for the small account challenge. Give me one good one today. I don't need to be here until 12 o'clock today. One good trade. Let's enjoy the weekend, and let's get ourselves dialed in. BCDA still trying to stay alive. BGMS, STI, SMTK, BCDA still trying to get a little rip. Guys, CMND also. CMND has a little bit of this downtrend. CMND is getting ready for that potential squeeze. Right now, if you need a little bit of a watch list, right? Best stocks to watch. We do have CMND. We do have STI. And we do have BCDA. Those are the top 3 stocks to be able to watch at this time. Those are the top 3 stocks to focus on. Those are the top 3 stocks with momentum at this moment. CMND, 24% gain. This is a play that could just get a little bit of a squeeze and spike. It's not the best press release in the world. It's really not. But you might just get a little squeeze and spike as buyers move in on it. Have a little bit of this downtrend. Watching to see if that thing pops its way on up here. STI still kind of boring. CNMD, breaking of downtrend is where you guys could see the next leg. Breaking downtrends is where shorters get squeezed. Breaking a downtrend is where buying momentum moves in. Breaking resistance. Now the thing is, most of the time, once resistance hits, you reverse. Resistance hit, reverse back on down. Resistance hits, shorters move in. Resistance hits, sellers take over. Oh! I just want something to get me going here, team. I want to be aroused this morning. I want to be on the internet and be a 32-year-old aroused man looking at the stock market. That's what I want today. That's what I want. BGMS. I don't think it's going to do it for me. STI has a lot of potential. Oh, it's going to be a good one, though. We just got to stay patient, team. A lot of times I always think about stock trading as being, you know, a stock sniper. Traders, if you're a sniper, if you're in the special forces and you are a sniper, you might get an objective that says, take out this one guy. Guess what? That sniper is not running in and going bang, 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 shooting a million different times. Guess what he's doing? He's sitting there and he's waiting a day, maybe a whole entire week, not even moving, sleeping in that position, waiting for that one perfect shot. If you are a lion in the Serengeti trying to get a nice juicy gazelle, you aren't just sprinting around doing circles, doing lion things. You're again sitting in the long grass, stalking, waiting for that perfect chance that that gazelle comes in range that you can jump out and strike. The last thing you want to do is just again be jumping all over the place, giving away your position. The last thing you want to do is be running in circles. The last thing you want to do right here is just say, oh, SMTK's moving up, I'm buying it. BGMS moving up, I'm buying it. STI moving up, I'm buying it. Because the thing is, you are going to lose so much money before you actually make a gain. You're going to exert so much energy before you actually catch it. It's not even worth it. You know what I mean? So the thing is here, traders, patience is one of the biggest attributes to be able to have in stock trading. Discipline to not, again, jumping on every single play that moves. I don't care if you trade 10 times, as long as you trade 10 good setups. I don't care if you trade once, as long as you trade one good setup. If you trade more than, I'm going to say, 20 times a day, you are most likely over trading. Because I don't know if there are 20 great setups every single day. There's definitely usually 5, 6, 7, 8 great setups. And again, especially if we have a big breakout, we could have momentum that you jump in on. Or maybe a reversal on a top or a reversal on a bottom from a short or a dip buy. There's opportunities out there. So like right now, what's a good potential trade? Good potential trade in my eyes would be, hey, if CMND or STI starts, getting a nice drop, gets a nice pullback, starts coming back on down towards some low levels, you could easily get, some sort of dip buy down low. Hey, what's a good trade? Well, maybe again, we start bouncing our way back on up. We could go ahead and definitely look for a short. We could look for a short near a top. The odds would suggest, and again, I always try to put in your mind right here, 80-20, right? That's what I always say, 80-20. Make sure every time you start trading, you ask yourself, do I have an 80% chance to win? Unfortunately, you will never have 100% chance to win. But what would be an 80% chance of you having success? Well, if I short right here, or if I short right here, or if I short right here, or if I short right here, if I short right here, if I short anywhere next to this line, what do we have? Well, it fell from there. And it fell, and it fell, and here it fell, and right now it's falling. Every time we have come up near $50, we have turned and reversed. Now you could do the same exact thing if you say, well, we also bounced here and bounced here and we also bounced here. We bounced here, we bounced here, and most likely we're going to bounce somewhere around here. If you again did this every time you have bought at the blue line, it has moved itself all the way back on up. So if you want to think about it, let's not be like crazy here. It's nothing that's like outspoken. It's nothing wild. If you short at the red line, the odds are you probably have an 80% chance that the stock is going to turn and fall. If you dip buy next to support, you probably have an 80% chance that the stock is going to bounce its way back on up. Is there a chance that maybe a big short squeeze happens and you do take a loss? Absolutely. Is there a chance, again, the stock dumps on down a little bit lower and you take a loss right there? Absolutely. You always have to have room for that 20%. But what I want you guys to realize is how much opportunity do you have on, again, just sticking with 80-20s? Like, that's pretty awesome. You know what I mean? Electrolyte mixer. AMSS. Nothing really too crazy right there. STI here, traders. We are just sitting back watching this one. STI might get a little bit of a crack on down, and if STI ever does get that crack underneath like 40 and we start seeing those 38s, I think 38, 37 would be like prime. That's like the perfect area for a dip. So let's see if STI does keep on fading and falling. See if we can start getting some weakness. We also can see the previous close. Previous close, guys, is down towards around that 38, what was that, 38.40? Start cracking again, 40 bucks. Some very exciting things could start happening with us. Trade Goats deck. I made $8,800 this week. I'm done for the day. Looking to double that next week. Hey, absolutely incredible. Making $8,000 on a week. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That is incredible work. And that's the beauty here, traders. I don't care if you guys watch me and you guys get inspired, or maybe you see Trade Goats trade and you get inspired, or maybe anyone in chat who says, hey, I made $3,000 today. I saw Concrete Trader up over $3,000 today. What I want you guys to realize is that you are surrounding yourself with great traders. You are surrounding yourself with people that are profitable in the market and showing you it's possible. Showing you guys, again, what can be done. And hopefully that motivates you. Hopefully that inspires you. Traders, as you guys know, and I've talked about this before in the past, is I enjoy golfing. Golfing is like probably my favorite hobby outside of stock trading, outside my job. When I golf, I like to play with people that are way better than me. People that, again, could crush me. And even if I, again, do a little heads-up match against them, I lose. Because the thing is, I like trading or going against people that are better so I could see what's possible and I could see what they do and I can learn from them. So when you're over here on Tradecaster and you're learning from me, if I am better than you, or you're learning from other traders within the community that are better than you, you are surrounding yourself, which is only going to elevate your trading. And that's, again, one of the greatest things about being part of a community is having your trading be elevated, having your trading, again, be able to push up even more. You know what I mean? Guys, STI, a little bit of a dip buy and bounce buy. We would like to be able to see some squeezing, some spiking. $50 is going to be that strong resistance line. We haven't been able to break like 47 though. Let's see, do we have any little downtrend that maybe if we break, we get a little squeeze towards? I would say like this area right here, traders. If we can actually break through 46, we might squeeze up towards around that $50 mark. That is a little bit of a potential trade. Break a little 46. Just take a look right now, team. This is what I'm seeing at this moment. STI. There's no joke about it. We know that $50 is strong resistance. $50 has been rejected here, here, $50 here, here. There's many $50 resistance touch points. But I will say, if we could break this little downtrend that we currently have, most likely we are going to squeeze out shorts and spike back up towards 50. So we are, again, staying ready. Jay, I've lost 8K in the past year trading options. Again, I don't really mess around with options too much. You know, I've talked about that a few times. I will dabble with options, but I am not a full-time options trader. Now, team, I am very kind of like relevant in the trading world where I do know a lot of people who trade. And I'm going to be honest with you. I do not know, personally, I do not know one person who is a full-time day trade options trader. I don't know one. I don't know one person. I know many people who are full-time traders from buying shares and doing what I do. And I'm sure they are out there. But I don't know anyone who is a full-time options trader that just day trades options. Now, yes, if you do a 12-month out contract or a 6-month out contract, yeah, you can obviously make a lot of money. But I don't know anyone that's day trading options that is consistently winning. It's tough. And traders, I've gone over this before, but I will go over it again just to make sure that you guys understand this. When it comes on down between options and shares, let me show you why it's so difficult to trade options, okay? And I'll make it very simple. Over here is shares. Over here is options. Now, why are people gravitated towards options sometimes? Guys, does anyone know the answer? Why do people like options? Because options, you can actually make a lot of money with a little bit of money. Well, why is that? Well, because you have to get so much correct. Traders, you need to get so many things right where, yes, you can turn a little bit of money to a lot of money, but the majority of people will not get everything right. Now, guys, for shares, let's just say STI. All I have to do with shares is say what is going to be a ticker that is going to be able to go up or down in a strong movement. So one, I got to find the right stock, and I just need to predict, is the stock going to go up or is the stock going to go down? That's it. I buy STI. If it goes up, I make money. I find STI. If I short it and it goes down, I make money. You know what's crazy? 80% of people can't do this. 80% of people can't find the right play that has volume and can't predict if it's going to go up or down. Now, options is a little bit different. Options, you got to find the right ticker. Okay? And you need to predict if it's going to go up or down. Now, that's the same exact thing as buying shares. But now we got to add more to it. We got to be able to pick, is it going to go up or down on the right ticker? And we have to be able to pick the strike price, which is going to be how high. Or like we're going to have to say, if we predict it's going to go down, how low will it go down to? Or how high will it go above? We have to pick a price that it will cross. So the right ticker, up or down, and how high or how low it's going to be. But then we also have to pick how high or how low it will be before a certain day. Okay, so the right ticker, up or down, how low, how high, before a certain day. Yes, but also if it doesn't do it quickly, we lose money through time decay. Hold on a second. So we went from I have to find the right stock, is it going to go up or down, how high is it going to go up and down, before a certain day, and if it doesn't do it quickly, I lose a lot of money. Correct. And then we're just going to add other things such as implied volatility and other Greeks, which is going to be if everyone else does the trade that I do because it's the common trade, then we also lose more money anyway. Traders, this is not the best way to day trade. This is the same exact thing. If you guys want to change this, as in let's think about it in a manner that you guys can, a lot of people can think about. Let's imagine this was sports betting. In sports betting, what's a better way if you wanted to be consistent? Traders, let's imagine the Jets are playing the Buffalo Bills. I am going to put, let's go with $500 on the Bills. What are my odds of winning? Sean, you're probably going to be able to make $500. Awesome. I put it on the Bills. Now, what could you guys do over here? All right, who's going to win, either Jets or Bills? Well, Deck, I don't want to just make $500. I want to make $10,000. So I'm going to predict that the Bills are going to win, but I'm also going to predict that Josh Allen, I predict that he's going to have 3 touchdowns. And I'm also going to say again, James Cook, the running back, I believe he's going to have 1 touchdown. I'm also going to believe again, there's going to be 2 interceptions. And the score is going to be less than 32 points. Guys, this is easy to do. Doing all of this, you get one thing wrong, you lose $500. That's how options work. You get the strike price wrong, the expiration date wrong, the time decay wrong, the implied volatility wrong. You get one thing wrong, you lose everything. So the thing that you have to be able to understand is, why are you doing that? Well, Decky, I could turn $1,000 into $20,000. Sure, you could put $1,000 to $20,000. If again, Josh Allen scores 3 touchdowns and James Cook gets a touchdown, there's 2 interceptions, less than 32 points. But the thing is, most likely that's not happening. And most likely you are not going to be able to get right the ticker and the up and down direction and the strike price and the expiration date and the time decay and the implied volatility. But you know what you could get correct? Who's going to win, Jets or Bills? Bills. Hey, well, you know what you could get correct? Hey, is STI going to go up or down? This is why I'm able to actually trade full time. So, STI here, team. Is STI going to go up or down here? That's a question we need to ask ourselves. STI, you guys can see we are on this downtrend. We're looking for this downtrend to break. If it breaks this downtrend, I do believe it could possibly go on up. But I don't need, even if I lose on this trade though, right? At least I have like STI up or down. I don't need to think about 10 million other things. You know what I'm saying? So right here, traders, we're going to watch. Can we be able to keep on squeezing? Can we be able to keep on, again, ripping and running? This play is trying to break out. Notice, again, what we got right here, guys. It's trying to get that hype. It's trying to get a little bit of that hype, breaking out of that downtrend for the first time in a while. 46 here, traders. Traders, I'm going to slowly, again, look for a position here if this thing can be able to break and hold. So I'm going to just do like 500 shares right now and see, can we hold above 45.40? 45.40 is what I'm looking at. I just want to see if we can hold above 45.40 right here and get a little bit of a squeeze. That's what I'm going to be looking at. So I am going to get in on this play, as you guys know. I'm going to watch, see if we can stay above 45.40. If not, then I don't want to, again, hold it too long. I'm just going to kind of build it on up, give it a little bit of a chance. See if this play is going to be able to make us a little bit of money. Oh, see, it's back underneath this trend line here. Look at this, guys. I tried to look for the little bit of a breakout. Not getting my breakout. Not going to hold too long. So all I was doing right there was looking for that possible squeeze and spike. It is just getting too much of a drop. I'm just getting out of that play. So guys, that play right here, guess what I was looking for? That play, top resistance, drop, top resistance, drop, top resistance, drop, top resistance. We started breaking out of it, said, hey, are we going to get crazy buying volume and move on up? We didn't, got in, didn't work out, got out. Simple, easy, gave it a chance, not doing anything too crazy. Only doing 500 shares. I don't want to lose, again, $10,000 today. Keeping everything nice and small. We do have the 8:30 press release wave coming on up in about 3 minutes. So, 8:30 press release wave, guys, is going to be kind of like the last chance for me to be able to, again, find a big time rip and run. All right? Let's see here what else we can do. Again, stay relatively small until we kind of see bigger volume. Deck, where's the big trades link? You guys can just go to bigtrades.com. Here's the link right here. Bada boom. So you guys are all set. All right. Team, 827. 830 is going to be like my last chance to see if we can get a big time breakout. Come on now. Let's get that 830 move. Let's see if we get that 830 rip. Let's see if we get that 830 run. If I see good press releases, I know, again, we could see a crazy spike. So I'm willing to go after a play today. Now, again, we are up nearly, again, $4,000 on the month. And it's only the first week. Well, unfortunately, not $4,000 right now. We did just lose $700. So more closer to $3,000. $3,000 is still great on the week. We're still up $3,000 on the week right here. We were closer towards 4,000, but we did just lose $700. Hopefully we can make that back, push ourselves back up towards around that nice profit, but we need to see STI with a little bit more hype and volume. I was looking for the breakout to run up to 50. That's what I wanted to see. But you know what? Keeping it nice and tight. Let's see if we get anything at 830. Don't want to, again, get too crazy. Here we go, baby. Guys, 830, watching for the next rip. Come on now. Give us that 830 ripper. Give us that 830 spike, that 830 climb. If I see something space related, I'm going after it. If I see something space related on Fox Runner, I'm going after it. If I see something that says AI data center, I'm going after it. We just had the PDT rule drop yesterday. STI went absolutely nuclear yesterday because now we have everyone in the world able to trade. A $4 stock ran up towards $60. A $4,000 investment would have made you $55,000 yesterday. Today, we want to see if there's going to be a little bit of a Friday climber. But it does come down to news. People are always asking, how do you know what's the best stock to buy? Well, what stock comes out with a reason to buy? Well, what's a reason? A press release. Press releases give the world a reason to jump in. You want to be able to have the best news scanner there is to be able to find, how do I know what stock to get myself involved in? So I do have keywords set. Keywords such as approval or repurchase or phase or merger. I want to look for data center, or I want to be looking for anything that has to do with space. Those are, again, things that I really want to be on top of here. So offering, staying away from that. Spinco, fly. Come on, 830 is here. Let's see if we can get a massive rip and run. Come on, all I'm doing is watching. The moment that these plays come on out, we want to be on top of it. Space, lunar, orbit, all those words will be highlighted in gold. So if you see a gold press release, those are the ones that most likely I'll be pulling the trigger on right away. LRHC, a little bit of climb. LRHC reports 17% year-over-year revenue growth. Deck, am I in on STI? I don't believe so. Let me just make sure. Nope. Again, I got out of STI. Again, I'm out of STI. I didn't know if you guys are like, oh, you have extra orders. Nope. Again, I got out of that play. Just chilling now. Semo Trader, love hearing this. Semo Trader says, this community has definitely made me a better trader for sure. Absolutely love seeing that, buddy. Give that some hearts. So again, thank you for being part of this community, and thank you so much for making it better. You know, people that contribute, people that message, people that talk, people that alert. You guys make this community better. Guys, not too much at 8:30. Not too much at 8:30. So just a lack of news right here at this moment. STI is going to be definitely one to still keep our eyes peeled on. But it's like, you know, it's just going to be difficult when we don't have much going on here just yet. You know, I assume, I'm making the assumption that people will go back to STI just because there's no other option at this moment. There's no other trade I see. There's no other, you know, play at this moment. So STI, again, if this one breaks through that $45 mark and we can rip and run up towards 50 bucks, that's where, again, the action's going to go through. But it's like, there's no other option. If we say, well, what's the best top gainers on this day? STI had, again, a space press release. You know, then we had CMND this morning. CMND talks about new psychedelic trials. That's really the biggest thing. BCDA talks about it may have approval. May have approval. So maybe it won't have approval, right? We have STI, CMD, BCDA as the best press releases on the day. BGMS trying to move itself on up a little bit as well. It's more about just seeing, like, you know, what is going to be coming on up here next. But I don't know if I'm going to be trading anything else unless STI does get a breakout here soon. If STI gets a breakout here soon, we'll go after it. If not, guys, I am just going to, again, wrap up my Friday. And I'm going to see everyone back here over on Money Monday. Ladies and gentlemen, I do want to open up the floor real quick for everyone in the world. Does anyone have any questions, comments, or concerns right now about the upcoming small account challenge? So does anyone have questions, comments, concerns? Brandy, Deck, do you have updates to the FoxRunner keywords you use? Would like to have it set up better. So my keywords over on FoxRunner is, just do this. If you go over and click the star ratings, okay? Click the star ratings. There's a button here that says downward keyword list, and then it will download it. And I add all the 3-star words. So the 3-star words is what I always have in, again, my keyword list. So again, all of the 3-star words, a lot of them are like words that I like. But then I also do like hot words that are trending right now. So what are hot words that are trending at this moment? Space, lunar, moon, orbit. I also have SanDisk because that's the #1 company in the world. Or again, you could also, instead of having SanDisk right there, you could add it to your watch list, right? Add the, you know, SanDisk to your watch list. My watch list right now is just full of space stocks. So anytime, again, there's a space play, you know, I get a little notification up top, you know, that says, oh, hey, you know, this one came out with a press release or this one. But if my keywords right now are all the, again, the phase 3 words or the 3-star words, plus again, any like trending words, space, data center, like things like that. You know what I mean? So, you know, that's what I add, and you guys can color code them any way that you know, personally want. Are you going to be live on YouTube next week? Unfortunately not, guys. As you guys know, today is my last day on YouTube. Now, again, it is only Tradecaster members. Guys, hey, if you disagree with me, that's absolutely okay. But I just truly feel like I provide so much value. I want to only work with people who want to work with me. And if you want to work with me, you got to come over to tradecaster.com and join us for the small account challenge. The small account challenge is going to be about 3 months long. We are going to, again, be trying to make as much money as we can with the small account, turning 4,000 to 8,000 to 12,000 to 20,000 to 40,000. We start up on Monday, and we are going to make as much money as we possibly can. So traders, who here is ready for Monday? Who here is ready to go for Monday small account challenge? I cannot wait. So I am starting with 4K. Remember, guys, if you guys do not know, small account is up on Monday. Also, I will be using Big Trades as my broker. So Big Trades is my broker. I posted that a few times. You guys can go ahead and check them on out right here. This is my broker. Just dropping some links for every single person in the chat room. If you want to have all the shorts that I'm having, you guys can use them right there. I do suggest having 2 different scanners as well. Fox Runner is one of the most important scanners to have. You guys can type in the word code FOXY for 30% off. So Foxy for 30% off so that you guys are all set, ready to go. Make sure you guys use that 30% off for a larger subscription so that you guys get the best possible deal. And then last but not least, you guys can use trade ideas as well. And I just gave away all the trade ideas codes yesterday for every single person so that you guys are all ready. You guys are getting after it and you guys are getting ready to have some fun. So, copy link. And then you guys do have our trade ideas, last but not least. So giving you guys all the links, all the equipment that you guys need. And then, of course, Monday morning, we are starting back on up. Monday morning, we are going back live. And Monday morning, we are getting ready for a big day ahead. I know RMSG getting a little bit of momentum, trying to spike on up here. But I think that's going to do it for us here, traders. I don't want to get too crazy today. I don't want to go down $6,000. I wanted to see if we had any sort of hot news on against 7 or 7:30 or 8 o'clock or 8:30. And I'm just not seeing as much. I was hoping we get like one big supernova. I can guarantee STI is going to have volume today. STI is going to either have that quick drop down to 35, 36, or there's a chance right at the bell today it spikes back up to 50 bucks. I'm not playing the Friday guessing game. I don't want to. I don't want to play the Friday guessing game. I don't want to put myself in bad positions. I don't want to hurt my trades. So, it has already been an incredible week making $3,000. But now, it's time to truly lock in. Team, the next time I see you will only be on Tradecaster.com. And the next time I see you will be the small account challenge. We'll be kicking that party off right around 7 a.m., 7:15 on Monday morning. For every single person, though, who has joined us that is not joining the small account challenge, if you can't afford it, I completely understand. I get it. That's no problem whatsoever. I do just want to say thank you so much for everyone who has truly watched. Thank you so much for everyone, again, who has watched every single day. You guys are fantastic. For so much love, for so much support, for you guys hitting that thumbs on up every single day, for you guys, again, waking up and joining us. Hey, I would love to see everyone over on Tradecaster. Sign up right now if you guys have not yet. Get yourself ready to rock and roll. And if you have any final questions, right now is the time to ask me. Gonna be taking a step back, getting ready for the weekend, because you guys know we have a pretty crazy 3 months ahead. The most wild 3 months I think we have coming on up. It is absolutely time to lock in. Abu Deck, I'm gonna miss you. You don't have to miss me. You can come on over to Tradecaster and we'll be together every single day. So for anyone who says, I'll miss you, you don't have to. I'm here, baby. I'm gonna miss you. You're the one that's not coming over and working with me. So get on over here. Woo! And man, it's gonna be fun. Absolutely here, team. It's going to be fun. Wealth Builder. We're going to be starting off right around like 7 a.m. every day. Live stream will go up right around like 7 o'clock. We'll probably kick off every morning at like 7:28, right before the 7:30 press release wave. Okay? But my goal here, team, I want everyone joining us, getting ready to go for a big one. Getting ready for some fun, getting ready for some action, getting ready to make some money. All right, here, traders. Hey, team, I absolutely love every single one of you. I'm going to leave the live stream up for a bit so you guys have the scanners and the access and you guys are all ready to rock and roll. And traders, I will see you guys Monday morning. Enjoy your weekend. Give yourself some time to relax, to recoup, rest those muscles on up. Everyone show up again on Monday feeling good. Get a couple good lifts in over the weekend. Stretch out. I don't want anyone pulling a hamstring on Monday morning doing the small account challenge. You guys better be dialed. Have a nice, bottle of Gatorade next to you. Have, again, a couple of Flintstone vitamins next to you, making sure that you guys are all set, ready to get after it. But it is truly time to get ourselves ready, prepared, and getting ourselves ready to make this money. I will see everyone back here Monday morning. For anyone that's not joining us, I just want to say thank you one more time. Let's get ready for the greatest event we have ever had. I want to turn your account to triple, quadruple. And for the people who miss it and everyone making their money, guys, I do this once a year maybe. So this is the only time to sign up. It's the only time to get involved into it. I'll see you Monday. Let's do it, team. Let's get after it. And you know the drill. In 3, 2, 1. Ah! Woo-hoo-hoo! It is time. The small account challenge. Monday morning on Big Trades. 7:30 a.m. we kick it off. I'll see you guys then. Have a wonderful weekend. If you need anything, please let me know. Have a good one. Enjoy it, team. You guys deserve it. Thank you, guys. Thank you, YouTube. Thank you, X. Thank you, Twitch. I'll see you guys on Tradecaster.com.
Oh, take me back to the start. Come up to meet you, tell you I'm sorry. You don't know how lovely you are. I had to find you, tell you I need you, tell you I set you apart. Nobody said it was easy. It's such a shame for us to part. Nobody said it was easy. No one ever said it would be this hard. I'll take you back to the start. If I get too close and I'm not how you hoped, forgive I know that attitude. Oh, I was raised out in the cold.
If you think you're getting away, I will prove you wrong. I'll take you all the way. Stay another song. I'll blow you all away. Hey.
Oh, I was raised out in the cold.
It's murder on the dance floor, but you better not kill the groove. Hey, hey, it's murder on the dance floor, but you better not steal the moves. DJ, gonna turn this house around somehow.
Forgive I know that attitude.
I thought of something funnier than 24, 25.
You got me spinning in a machine. If it's so good, I wanna stay right here. You got me spinning in a machine. If it's so good, I wanna stay right here.
Agreement.
Yeah, all the crazy shit I did tonight, those will be the best memories. I just wanna let it go for the night. That would be the best memories.
We don't sleep when the sun goes down. We don't waste no precious time. All my friends seem to lose, making up for teenage crime.
Hey, hey. Yeah, yeah.
We don't sleep when the sun goes down.
Tyler, what's it like in New York City? I'm 1,000 miles away, but girl, tonight you look so pretty. Yes, you do. Times Square can shine as bright as you. I swear it's true.
She's got a smile that it seems to me reminds me of childhood memories where everything was as fresh as the bright blue sky.
What you do to me? It's what you do to me. It's what you do to me. What you do to me. What you do to me.
Sweet Texas, ain't no golden. Lay your car down, 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 down. Talking Lexus, throw your keys up. Go round, 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 round. Oh my, good Lord. Someone pour me up a double shot of whiskey. They know me and Jerry Dale's got a history. There's a party downtown near 50. I think I'll take my whiskey and leave. My coffee black and my bed at 3. You're too sweet for me. You're too sweet for me. I take my whiskey and leave. Someone pour me up a double shot of whiskey. You're too sweet for me. Everybody at the party good.
She's a bad thing, funny as hell. Biggest fool, oh my god, that's my baby. Caroline, pretty fine, mighty fine. Started really go to time, that's true. Like a pool. Holy, I'm really lazy. It's looking like it's about time. Caroline, listen up. Don't wanna hear about your horoscope or what the future holds. Shut up and let's get it.
You are the dancing queen, young and sweet, only 17. Dancing queen, feel the beat from the tambourine, oh yeah.
Don't you know how to one show when you're not next to me? I'm falling apart right in front of you. Can't you see?
You can dance, you can jive, having the time of your life. Ooh, see that girl, watch that scene, digging the dancing queen.
Don't you know how to run show when you're not next to me?
Special team, special play, special players.
Hide away with me some more. You're just a hideaway. You're just a feeling. You let my heart escape. Beyond me, don't even I can find a way to stop the storm. Oh, baby, it's out of my control. It's going
Don't stop believing. Hold on to that feeling. Feel like people. Don't stop believing. Hold on
this kind of mess all by myself. Don't act like you ain't helped me pull that bottle off the shelf. Be deep in every weekend, if you couldn't tell. They say teamwork makes it.
Hey, yo, where'd you get that cheese, Danny?
When I had you to myself, I didn't want you around. Those pretty faces always made you stand out in a crowd. But someone picked you from the bunch. One glance was all it took. Now it's much too late for me to take a second look.
Ain't no Holly Berry or Hallelujah. Pick your poison, tell me what you do. Everybody don't respect the shoe, but the one in front of the gun lives forever.
Oh, baby, give me one more chance. Won't you please let me back in your heart? Oh, darling, I was glad to let you go. But now since I see,
Bitch, you make they call me Superman. Leap tall hoes in a single bound. I'm single now, got no ring on his finger now. I never let another chick bring me down in a relationship. Save it, bitch, babysit. You make me sick. Superman ain't saving shit. Girl, you can jump on Shady's dick. Straight from the hip, cut to the chase. I tell a motherfucking slut to her face. Play new games, say new names. Ever since I broke up with what's her face, I'm a different man. Kiss my ass, kiss my lips. Bitch, why ass? Kiss my dick, get my cash. I'd rather have you whip my ass.
You say that I'm messing with your head. All 'cause I was making out with your friend. You're on your knees, begging, please stay with me. But honestly, I just need to be a little crazy. All my life I've been good, and now I'm thinking, what the hell? All I want is to mess around, and I don't really care about.
Show yourself, take only what you need from it. The family of trees falling, be haunted. Show yourself, take only what you need from it.
Thinking, what the hell?
The family of trees falling, be haunted.
I'm like, hey, what's up, hello? Since your pretty ass soon as you came in the door. I just wanna chill, got a sack for us to roll. Married to the money, introduced her to my stove. Showed her how to whip and now she remix it for love.
Slang when you notice the stripes, the dirt in your fries. Hope it's right when you die. Old and bony.
And I get high with my baby, baby. I just love the mall, I'm getting fly with my baby, yeah. And I get ride with my baby, baby. I'll be in the kitchen cooking pies with my baby, yeah.
Jumping off the porch like mom's not home. Tell me why the best things feel so wrong. Summer nights, love them how they take so long. Run with the feeling. day of being alive while we're still young. Ain't it fun living in the real world? Ain't it good being all alone?
Don't I wanna be the one that I call baby? 'Cause I'm big boys and boys. Shoot another shot to stop the feeling. You could say just the way you are. Make up your excuse for the stupid reason. Yeah, to stop the world just to stop the feeling. Who wants to go to the Four Seasons Orlando?
Alors on danse. Alors on danse. Alors on danse. Alors on danse. Alors on danse.
Don't get me started, love. I've had too much drink. Had too much time to think. So leave me alone.
One kiss is all it takes. Falling in love with me. Possibilities. I look like all you need. One kiss is all it takes. Falling in love with me. Possibilities. I look like all you need.
To all the bitch assholes that hate me the most, oh yeah, I hate you too. To all the bum ass bugs that just wanna talk shit, I hate you too. To all the high ass ass that's too hot too fast, oh yeah, I hate you too. Hey, roses and mimosas, champagne,
Shake that ass for Drake. Now shake that ass for me. Bend that ass over. Let that coochie breathe. Shake that ass, bitch. Hands on your knees. Hands on your knees. Hands on your knees. Shake that ass for Drake. Now shake that ass for me. Bend that ass over. Let that coochie breathe. Shake that ass, bitch. Hands on your knees. Hands on your knees. Hands on your knees. Shake that ass for Drake. Now shake that ass for me.
I don't mind spending every day out on your corner in the pouring rain. Look for the girl with the broken smile. Ask her if she wants to stay a while.
I don't care if Monday's black, Tuesday, Wednesday, hard to tap, Thursday, never looking back, it's Friday, I'm in love.
Then she will be loved. Then she will be loved. Then she will be loved.
It's Friday, I'm in love.
Never heard of Dasher?
No.
Does that make me crazy? Does that make me crazy? Does that make me crazy? Possibly.
Gucci down to the socks like I'm Biggie Popper. Keep your girl head in my Tommy boxes. But really down, she a silly hoe. Cause she know the freaking style getting pretty dope. She don't get nothing from my nigga dog. All she get is hard dick and some Cheerios. Baby.
How you gonna do it if you really don't wanna dance? By standing on the wall. Get your back up on the wall. Tell me. How you gonna do it if you really don't wanna dance? By standing on the wall. Get your back up on the wall.
Can't help myself, I count the fire. Gonna lay out to be
Get down on it. Come on in. Get down on it. You really want it. Get down on it. You gotta feel it.
We gon' fuck up the night. Black lights, and she's mine. Unapologetic, gon' fuck up the night. Fuck up the night. We gon' fuck up the night. We gon' fuck up the night.
It's always darkest before the dawn. Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. Oh, oh. Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. Oh, oh. And it's hard to dance with the devil on your face, so shake him up.
We'll give it a shot. Oh, we're halfway there. Whoa, living on a prayer. Take my hand, we'll make it, I swear. Oh, living on a prayer. Whoa, living on a prayer.
Like a man dick?
Yeah, like a man dick.
Come here, rude boy, boy, can you get it up? Come here, rude boy, boy, you should dig it up. Take it, take it, take it, take it, take it, take it, love it. Come here, rude boy, boy, can you get it up? Come here, rude boy, boy, you should dig it up. Take it, take it, take it, take it, take it, take it, love it. Tonight I'ma let you be a captain. Tonight I'ma let you be a thing, yeah. Tonight I'ma let you be a rider. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, babe. Tonight I'ma let it be fire. Tonight I'ma let you take me higher. Tonight, baby, we can get it on, yeah. We can get it on, yeah.
All the small things, true care, truth brings. I'll take one lift, your ride, best trip. Always, I know you'll be at my show, watching, waiting, commiserating. Say it ain't so, I will not go. Turn the lights off, carry me home. Keep your head still, I'll be your thrill, and I will go on my little
Say
way.
my name, darling, I hope that you'll be here when I need you the most. So don't let me, don't let me, don't let me down. Don't let me down, don't let me down.
I'm sorry, Miss Jackson. Ooh, I'm for real. Never meant to make your daughter cry. I apologize, truly cry.
Just come outside for the night. Yeah. Take your time, get your life. Yeah. Dirty night. I don't wanna feel how I did last night. I don't wanna feel how I did last night. Anything please, have mercy on me. Take this pain away. You're asking me my symptoms, I don't wanna feel.
Off my face, don't know where I am, cause I got my drugs from Amsterdam. Off my face, don't know where I am, cause I got my drugs from Amsterdam.
369 girls wanna drink wine. Tell the man not to waste your time. If the man broke, the man here joke. So you gotta get loose with the Henny and the Coke. 3, 2, 1 girls wanna have fun. If the man don't dance, he's done. Tell him move on, get the man gone. Now can I get a Coke with my rum?
Look at the stars, look how they shine for
only mean one thing. I know when that hotline bling, that can only mean one thing. Ever since I left the city, you got a reputation for yourself now. Everybody knows and I feel left out. Girl, you got me down, you got me stressed out. Cause ever since I left the city, you
are a cinema. I could watch you forever. Action, thriller. I could watch you forever. You are a cinema, a Hollywood treasure. Love you, this is who you are. A cinema. These beautiful things that I've got, please stay. I want you, I need you, oh God. Don't take these beautiful things that I've got.
She doesn't even go here.
I came, I saw, I came, I saw, I praise the Lord, the break, the door. I take what's mine and take some more. It rains, it pours, it rains, it pours. I came, I saw, I came, I saw, I praise the Lord, the break, the door. I take what's mine and take some more. It rains, it pours, it rains, it pours. Yeah.
I've got sunshine on a cloudy day. When it's cold outside, I've got the month of May.
And for a fortnight there, we were forever wanting to be so baptized. What about whoever now you're in my backyard? Turn into good neighbors, for white waters, flowers. I wanna kill her.
My girl, my girl, my girl. Talking about my girl, my girl.
And for a fortnight there, we were together wanting to be so baptized.
Talk to it, spit on that thing.
hold on. Stop messing with our future. Open up inside. World, hold on. One day you will have to answer to the children of the sky.
make your ass fall off. Had to think I wanna smash your on out. Speed up, gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal now. Speed up, gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal. Slow down, grab the wall, wiggle like you're trying to make your ass fall off. Had to think I wanna smash your on out. Speed up, gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal now. Slow down, grab the wall, wiggle like you're trying to make your ass fall off.
Ice cold, Michelle fight for that white gold. This one for them hood girls, them good girls, straight masterpieces. Styling, wildin', living it up in the city. Got Chuck's on with Saint Laurent, gotta kiss myself, so pretty. Let this be our little secret, no one needs to know I'm feeling higher and higher and higher, higher and higher and higher. We're feeling love, we're feeling it in me, up and up, we keep on climbing higher and higher and higher, higher and higher. Break it down. Girls hit you hallelujah, girls hit you hallelujah, girls hit you hallelujah. Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you, cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you, cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. Saturday night and we in the spot. Don't believe me, just watch.
Ha, sicker than your average. Hop a twist cabbage off instinct. Niggas don't think shit stink. Pink gators, my Detroit players. Tim's for my hooligans in Brooklyn. That's dead right. If the head right, Biggie there, head night. Papa been school since days of under rules. Never lose, never choose to. Bruise, cruise, who? Do something to us. Talk code to us. Girls walk to us. Wanna do us, screw us. Who us? Yeah, Papa and Pump. Close like Starsky and Hutch. Stick to clutch. Yeah, I squeeze 3 at your cherry M3. Bang every MC easily. Recently, niggas frontin' ain't saying nothing, so I just speak my peace, keep my peace. Cubans with the pieces, peace with my peace.
If I leave here tomorrow, would you still remember me?
Been there, done that, messed around. I'm having fun, don't put me down. I'll never let you sweep me off my feet. I won't let you in again. The messages I've tried to send, my information's just not going in.
Cause I'm as free as a bird now. And this bird you cannot change.
This time, baby, I'll be This time, baby, I'll be This time, baby, I'll be
I got my red dress on tonight, dancing in the dark in the pale moonlight. Done my hair up real big, beauty queen style, high heels off, I'm feeling alive.
Let's make this happen, girl. We're gonna show the world it's something you can work and it can work for you. And you know that it will.
Positive.
Let's get this started, girl. We're moving up, it's been a lot to change, but you will always get what you want.
Oh, I got that summertime, summertime sadness. Summertime, summertime sadness.
Let's make this happen, girl. We're gonna show the world it's something you can work and it can work for you. And you know that it will.
Shut up about the sun!
NVIDIA. NVIDIA.
Girl, your stare, those eyes, your lips, your smile, your hips, those thighs, and I can't deny.
What is love? Baby, don't hurt me no more.
Yo, sexy ladies want part with us. In the car with us, them not war with us. In the club, them want flex with us. To get next with us, then they are vex with us. From the day my bond, I ignite my flame. Girl, I call my name, and it is my fame. It's all good, girl, turn me on till I earn them on. Let's get it on.
And I need you now tonight. And I need you more than ever. And if you only hold me tight, we'll be holding on.
Yo, shake that thing, miss. Kinda shake that thing, yo. Annabella, shake that thing, miss. Kinda shake that thing, yo. Annabella, shake that thing, miss.
And I need you now tonight.
Shake that thing.
And I need you more than ever.
Can you feel it now? On this side. And I feel it now. Don't let me shiver. And I feel it now.
Hey, she's in love with who I am. Back in high school, I used to bust it to the dance. Now I hit the FBO with duffels in my hands. I did half a Zen, 13 hours till I land. Having out like a light, like a light, like a light. Slept through the flight. She's in love with who I am.
How can I be homophobic? My bitch is gay. Hit man in a top try, see a man topless, even a stick is gay. Hugging my brothers and say that I love them, but I don't swing that way. The man them celebrate Eid, the trap's still running on Christmas Day. Somebody told Doja Cat that I'm trying to indulge in that. In my great tracks, you see the bulge in that, see the motion clap when you're throwing it back. These females planning on doing me wrong, so I'm grabbing a dome at the Trojan pack. Post the location after we're gone, can't slip and let them know where we're at.
Come on, baby, just pump it louder, pump it louder, pump it louder, pump it louder. Turn up the radio, flash the stereo. Oh shit.
Come on, feel the noise. Girls, rock your voice. We'll get wild, wild, wild. Wild, wild, wild.
I got a feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good, good night.
Come on, feel the noise.
I got a feeling.
Girls, rock your voice.
I got a feeling.
Wild, wild.
My go-to order at the bodega was ham and cheese on a roll.
I'm sorry, don't leave me. I want you here with me. I know that your love is gone.
Take my heart, don't break it. Love me to my bones. All this time I've rested. You were right there all
It's been a hard day's night, and I've been working like a dog. It's been a hard day's night. I should be sleeping like a log.
You, it has not
Phase.
Maybe heaven right now is a devil or angel away. That won't change. Together we vow that our colors will sparkle to fade. We built this city. We built this city on love. We built this city. We built this city on love. And I will find you. I will lose my mind. Lose my mind.
Yeah. They not like us. 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 Wah, 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 wah. That fuck 'em up. Wah, 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 wah. I'ma do my stuff. Why you trolling like a bitch? Ain't you tired? Tryna strike a chord and it's probably A minor.
I'm like a bird, I only fly away. I don't know where my soul is. I don't know where my home is. But baby, all I need for you to know is like a bird, I only fly away. I don't know where my soul is. I don't know where my home is.
Kissing and hope to cut us, whether they like or not. I wanna show you out. I wanna show you out. I wanna brag about it. I wanna tie the knot. I wanna show you out. I wanna show you out. I wanna show you.
I'm like a bird, I only fly away.
I wanna show you off. I wanna show you off. I wanna show you.
Agreement.
I'm like a bird, I only fly away.
I wanna show you off.
Agreement.
I wanna show you off. I wanna show you.
Empty cans and I'll be damned, your shit was never packed. Did your boots stop working? Did your truck break down? Did you burn through money? Did your ex find out? But there's a way, and I'm damn sure you lost it. In 40 years, you'll still be here, drunk washed up in Austin.
Do you remember 21st night, September? Love was changing the minds, pretender, while chasing the clouds away. Our hearts were ringing in the key that our souls were singing as we danced in the night. Remember how the stars stole the night away.
That's just the way it is. That's just the way it is. Hope this don't ever change. That's just the way it is. That's just the way it is.
Who you know fresher than home? Riddle me that. The rest of y'all know where I'm living. Can't none of y'all mirror me back. You hear me rap, it's like hand G rapping his prime. Young H.O. raps Grateful Dead. Rapper take over the globe. Break bread. I'm in Boeing Jets, Global Express. Out the country with the blueberries still connect. On the low with the yacht, got a triple deck. But when you young, what the fuck you expect? Yep. Grand opening, grand closing. Goddamn the manhole, crack the can open again. Who you gonna find over the hand with no pen? Just draw up inspiration. So you gonna see you can't replace him with cheap imitation for each generation. Hardcore.
I
got the chick, I call it Lola. She feel like the ocean, like to drink and smoke some Doja. And I feel like smoking, plus she good at drumming cobras. I feel like I'm chosen, but she ain't the only one.
I just can't get you out of my head. Boy, your loving is all I think about. I just can't get you out of my head. Boy, it's more than I think you think about,
What they want, what they want. Dollar signs, yeah, I know it's what they want.
Fuck, Aaron.
Hey, I got a Glock in my Rari. Hey, 17 shots from 38. Hey, I got a Glock in my Rari. 17 shots from 38. She's mine. Wonder when she'll be mine. She walk past my face, rewind to see that ass one more time. I got the soda. Ruby boys, they know us. All that money, they stole us. No one can control us.
Welcome to the Hotel California. Such a lovely place, such a lovely place, such a lovely place. Plenty of room at the Hotel California. Any time of year, you can find it here. Back in Chicago, I'll see I know I was made for your touch, 'cause I got nothing without you. So baby, I thank God for your love. There's nothing like us, 'cause I don't want nobody unless you're that somebody. Cold bed, I'm locked up in the same room, and I call myself thinking about you, holding on to every word I left you. Ooh, just one sip, I bet you love the taste. Take me back to where you were all for me. I wish we never go this way. Take me back to where you were all for me.
my balls, she would be my dad.
Oh, when you walk by every night, talking sweet and looking fine, I get kinda hectic inside. Baby, I'm so into you. Doesn't if you only knew all the things that flow through my mind.
This is the story of a girl who cried a river and drowned the whole world. And while she looks so sad in photographs, I absolutely love her. This is the story of a girl, her pretty face she hid from the world. And while she looks so sad and lonely there, I absolutely love her.
But it's just a sweet, sweet medicine, baby. When I close my eyes, you know that I take it.
When she smiles, when she smiles.
Am I not hurdly enough for the Hurdle Club?
Now hang me up to dry. You broke me out too many times. Now hang me up to dry. I party like the whites of your eyes.
I started singing bye bye Miss American Pie. Drove my Chevy to the levee, but the levee was dry. Then good old boys were drinking whiskey and rye and singing, this will be the day that I die. This will be the day that I die.
Wake up in the morning feeling like PDT.
Hey, what up,
Grab
girl?
my glasses, I'm out the door. I'm gonna hit this city.
Let's go.
Before I leave, brush my teeth with a bottle of Jack. 'Cause when I leave for the night, I ain't coming back. I'm talking pedicure on our toes, toes. Trying on all our clothes, clothes. Boys blowing up our phones, phones. Dropped up and playing our favorite CDs. Pulling up to the parties, trying to get a little bit tipsy.
Fergalicious definition, make them boys go loco. They from my treasure, so they get their pleasure from my photo. You can see me, you can't squeeze me. I ain't easy, I ain't sleazy. I got reasons why I tease them. Boys just come and go like Caesar. Fergalicious.
Tell me what you think at night. You lost your love, but you still got mine. I'll find it wherever it's hiding. We can stay out all damn night, chasing love and wasting time. I'll find it wherever it's hiding.
I love it when you call me Big Papa. Throw your hands in the air if you's a true player. I love it when you call me Big Papa. Sugar honeys getting money, playing niggas like Tony's. I love it when you call me Big Papa. You're not a gun up in your waist, please don't shoot up the place. Cause I see some ladies tonight that should be having my baby.
Blessed to everybody gonna live on Christian. Funny nigga go distance. I can do you one in an instant. It's hiding. Everybody.
I love it when you call me Big Papa. Throw your hands in the air if you's a true player. I love it when you call me Big Papa.
Walking on a dream. How can I explain? Talking to myself. Will I see again?
Sweet dreams are made of these. Who am I to disagree? I travel the world and the seven seas.
On the boulevard of broken dreams, I heard that your dreams came true.
But I'll be a daydream. favorite things.
Making my dreams come. See, my dreams are full, nightmares come true.
Oh no, please God, tell me what you're
For every dreamer, a dream was unstoppable. With something to believe in.
Will your system be alright when you dream of home tonight?
I've been having dreams.
Dream on, dream on. Dreaming about the things that we could be.
You make me feel like I'm living a teenage dream. The way you do me.
Dream of paradise.
Just a dream.
I could use a dream or a genie or a wish.
Sweet dreams on the other end.
For every dreamer, a dream was unstoppable. With something to believe in.